Welcome to part 2 of our adventures in the Philippines, where we'll show you beautiful Palawan and our last days of partying in Manila. We took another one of these propeller planes, and then it was a van ride plus a speedboat ride to our home for 2 nights, the famous Paolyn Houseboat. We had the entire houseboat to ourselves, and it was incredible to have these views right outside our room. The accommodation price included these kayaks that you could use at any time, so of course, we paddled out at sunset. Since you're in the middle of the water, you're not able to just go out and find a restaurant. Thankfully, there's a huge selection of amazing meals for you to order for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, including Filipino staples that we'll show you later. We also got to do some stargazing, including one night where we saw Venus above the moon.
How many? Go check what's in there.
No! Haley, can she's trying to...
Oh, Haley, go check what's in there. No, don't put me in there.
We booked a half-day tour to check out some beautiful views and take a dip in the clean, clear water.
Say it all together. I wish I was a...
Palawan was home to plenty of marine life, and we saw different species of tropical fish, coral, even jellyfish and sea urchins.
Oh. That's not fishy. Is it fishy?
No, just say you want the
When we got back, we played around in the water just by our houseboat, and then before we knew it, it was time for lunch.
There you go. Alright, I got the chicken tinola. Yummy. Alright, what'd you get?
I got the pork adobo.
There's some mangoes here. Some chips there. There's the thing.
You gotta try that, yeah.
Wow.
Why is it like this?
Wow, we life-size model.
This is actually quite generous.
There's nothing wrong with your connection. This was when our GoPro sank to the bottom of the sea. One of the resort staff was an amazing swimmer and went all the way down to retrieve it for us, which we're eternally grateful for.
Ken's looking for some fish.
Chilling on a kayak with your friends is probably the best way to watch the sunset. After 2 days and nights, it was time to make our way back to Manila, sweating up a storm during a brownout at Busuanga Airport.
Busuanga Airport, departures.
So hot.
The nature experience of Palawan was humbling and rewarding, but it was nice to get back to the comforts of the city.
Alright, our first meal back in civilization. I grabbed someone else's drink.
Okada was an incredibly grand and spectacular casino with a large gambling area, of course, but also some fantastic entertainment even in the early hours of the morning. We also bumped into actor Richard Yap there shortly before I was egged on to join the performers on stage.
The older I get, the better I taste.
Damn. That is the car. What a car. Yeah, Jollibee.
like Jollibee. Okay, walk like Jollibee. Okay, walk like... Okay, thank you so much, Jollibee. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, pass the balloon, go! See you over there. See you back. You ready? Okay, this time you may go through.
Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me.
It was also a good opportunity for me to redo this photo 30 years later, though he wasn't keen on carrying me this time. We couldn't help ourselves and we went out for karaoke one last time.
Tell me where it hurts, now tell me, and I'll love you with a love so tender.
This bookstore was definitely one of my favorite places. I was happy to find some books on Filipino history and mythology to learn more about my culture. Venice Grand Canal was a nice concept, which sure made you feel like you were somewhere else.
Your love is what I
Alright, so I got the strawberry blizzard and
I got the brownie temptation.
what do you rate it?
It's so good. It's brownies and peanuts. What's yours?
Strawberry and strawberries. But 10 out of 10, so good.
Open it up.
Yeah. Yum. Chicken crunch wrap ice cream. And you got a blue freeze with hot sauce with hot dog.
We decided to have our final dinner at Greenbelt and tried more of the offerings at Mesa.
We're at La Mesa, our last meal. Here you guys. Some sinigang here. Oh yeah, thanks.
Watermelon.
Alright, so we got a late night dessert. We got a medium halo halo from Kayaking. And Cam's got her peach mango pie. We're all here, gang's here. The others are down there.
On our last morning, we fueled up at Seattle's Best before heading over to Market Market for last-minute pasalubong shopping.
하나 김치 야끼돈.
So one regular 16
Yep.
and one day.
We've got the tonkatsu ramen.
Got a udon, and chicken karaage, and some tempura. We enjoyed our last moments with our friends before it was time to make our way to the airport and fly home.
Oh wait, I'm going with you.
Thanks for watching. We had the best time in the Philippines, traveling outside the city, experiencing the country's natural beauty, and spending time with our friends who've become family. We're so grateful for the amazing hospitality we received from everyone in the Philippines, and we might just head back soon. See you then.